In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery and selecting Pictures at the bottom left corner or Albums next to them. Either way, after locating your photos that you wish to remove, hold one of them. And to select multiple right away, click on this dot at the top left corner. Now to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this bin icon at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!